So this has to be the most faded out Jeep Grand Cherokee in central Wisconsin. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black. Man, this Jeep got the works. It got a lot done to it, and I appreciate the customers for letting me do it. This thing got hooked up. Full ceramic tint on every piece of the glass, and it got full front end PPF. So full front end is full hood, full bumpers, full fenders, and then we also did all the door cups, and then we also did the rear luggage area, and then I did the front sills in PPF as well. So this thing got hooked up, so let's talk about a few things and let's check out a few things on it. So on this one, the front doors were done in 20% ceramic, and also both panoramic roofs were done in 20% ceramic. And then over all the rear privacy glass, we did 20% ceramic on that as well. The full windshield was done in 65% ceramic. So once again, the whole full vehicle was done in ceramic tint. It's gonna keep this thing cool, and this thing is actually the most faded out Jeep Grand Cherokee L I have seen rolling the streets in my area. And then I also mentioned this thing got a full front end PPF. Now this thing being brand new didn't have a lot of damage to it, and they wanted to protect that by putting PPF on it. So now this PPF on this vehicle is gonna protect this whole front end from the rock chips. You know, we got Wisconsin and the snow is gonna be coming, and you got all the salt from all the vehicles on the road, and it's gonna be a lot of stuff that's gonna be kicked up. So the PPF will protect this front end on this vehicle and keep it looking good for years down the road. So I think the blackout top with the blackout windows just looks insane. It looks really good on this one. And also they got the darker wheels kind of color match, so that even helps this thing look even better. So let's check it out real quick and see what you think. So I think this thing looks good. It's faded out, it's protected. The thing looks sweet with the color scheme that they chose with the wood grain inside. I think this thing is awesome. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, man, smash the subscribe button. Subscribing is free. And you know, it's crazy because most of the people that watch these videos, they don't even subscribe. But check out the channel, man. I got a lot of stuff about window tint, vinyl wrapping, stuff like that on my channel. I appreciate you guys want to check it out. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. And until next time, stay faded. We'll be back with more content when I get time. Until then, peace.